Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the data ready. Open Word and position the cursor where the graph must live. Next, copy a clean table from Excel or import a CSV. This preserves numbers and headers. Once done, choose the chart type that matches your message because clarity depends on the right visual. Make sure to check units and decimal places now. It saves time later. You'll start insertion in the next step. You insert the chart using Word's Insert Chart, which opens an embedded Excel sheet. Then paste or edit your data in that sheet. If you want dynamic updates, link to the external workbook instead. Once the numbers are correct, adjust series order, axis scales, and label formats so the story reads correctly. Also tweak colors and markers for accessibility. After these detailed edits, verify that the chart You're almost done. Resize the chart, set alignment, and choose text wrap so it integrates with surrounding content. If the document needs a static image, copy the chart as a picture or export the page to PDF. Once finalized, inspect print layout and resolution. If the chart fails to update, check link paths, enable automatic update, or relink the workbook. Broken links are the usual culprit. Finally, save both Word and source files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.